Tell your mind strongly, oh mind, nothing in the world outside, there's nothing that can please me, nothing that I want. Anything that the mind can bring to the sense organs into itself, sights, sounds, taste, smell, touch, I am not interested in any of that. Whatever you can supply me with, oh mind, I am not interested in any of that. And what I am interested in, the witness consciousness, I am the self, that you cannot supply me with. So you are shutting down the mind both ways. What the mind can do for you, not interested. Whatever you can do, whatever thought, perception you can bring to me, not interested. And what I am interested in, you can't bring it. It's beyond your range. It's beyond the capacity of the mind. You will see the mind calms down, senses also will calm down immediately. When you strongly drive this thought into the mind, the mind will keep offering you, see this. You close your eyes, hear this. Or feeling mosquito buzzing around, the whole mind will go there. Which normally you may ignore, but in times of meditation, in the slightest stimulus, little sound, the mind will go there. Maybe somebody else is meditating near you. I've seen that happening. Meditating, and somebody just in front of me, another monk, swallowing loudly, like this. And the mind gets irritated. Because of that monk swallowing, I can't meditate. As if you could meditate if everybody was silent. If you were put in a deep silent chamber, you would go into samadhi. You wouldn't. It's the mind's mischief which immediately takes up some object, either attractive or unpleasant or disturbing or something, and tries to go on thinking about it. No, nothing you can think about is of any use to me. Then the mind will try another kind of mischief. Okay, what is it that is of interest to you? Maybe I can supply that. You're interested in Vedanta, in the pure consciousness. All right, let's think about pure consciousness. Here are the different theories, the books that we have read, the talks that we have heard. No. I am not interested in your theories, in your talks, in your memories, in your arguments, pro, for and against. No. The moment you give in to one of them, it will immediately lead you step by step into the world outside again. That's the very nature of the mind. Whatever you can supply me with, not interested. What I am interested in, you cannot supply me with that. This is a technique from the Yoga Vasishta. The mind will keep quiet. And then you are free of the mind. The senses immediately become silent. When the mind gets this kind of treatment, the senses are the servant of the mind. They become quiet also. Like our master is in trouble, we better keep quiet.